Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to watermark a photo you own using your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to an iPhone itself, a photo that you can take using your iPhone. So now we can go all the way to the iPhone and then go to the photo or take a photo using your iPhone. So in the previous tutorial, I did take a photo of a camera stand and then post that to Instagram. Go back to your iPhone homepage and then go to an application called Live Collage. Click on this. Click on Collage. Click on the first square that we will be using to edit the photo itself. Click on the plus sign, click on your photo that you took, blur and space, and now to add your watermark text, click on the T, computer science videos, we can change the color if we require. I will change it to black and then rearrange if required to. I may revert the text back to white. And now to save this, go to the right top corner of the screen, save to photos. Go back to your iPhone homepage, go to photos, swipe to the left, and now we have a photo that we took and then used photo collage to watermark, trademark with our Instagram name. So we can then go to Instagram and post a photo as we have the rights to the photo. Go back to your iPhone homepage. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.